Hey there! Ever bought something online or thought about starting your own online store? Welcome to our quick guide on e-commerce. E-commerce, short for electronic commerce, is the buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It's transformed the way we shop and do business. Here's how it works. Customers browse an online store, add items to their cart, and check out using a secure payment system. The store then processes the order and ships the product. There are several types of e-commerce. The most common is B2C, or business to consumer, where businesses sell directly to customers. There's also B2B, business to business, C2C, consumer to consumer, and C2B, consumer to business. So why is e-commerce so popular? First, it's convenient. You can shop anytime, anywhere, without leaving your home. Second, it offers a wide selection. Online stores often have a greater variety of products compared to physical stores. And third, you can find competitive prices. Online retailers often offer better deals and discounts. E-commerce is not just about buying, it's also a fantastic opportunity for entrepreneurs. Starting an e-commerce business involves setting up an online store, listing your products, and marketing them to reach potential customers. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce make it easier than ever. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on e-commerce and online business. Happy selling!